Here's some exercises I'm using to recover from an injury, and you can use too if you're just starting your weightlifting journey to build strength.
Toe hold deadlift. These are great for burning the back of your legs, so you don't need very much movement. Lean over to wherever you can grab. If you can grab your toes, that's awesome. Otherwise your ankles or the tops of your shins, and just bend your knees slowly, trying to drop your bum just a little bit to the floor. Go back up again and keep repeating. You'll eventually start feeling the burn. Weightless deadlifts. These are just like air guitar except for deadlifts. So pretend you've got a bar in your hand or a rolling pin and you're rolling it down your legs and to your feet. Go as far as you can and go slowly, and then pull yourself back up. Stick your bum out and keep your back flat to avoid injury, but go slow. Windmills are a technically difficult exercise, so don't worry if you can't quite reach your toes, but try and stretch towards your opposite toe with your opposite hand, and with your free hand, stretch towards the sky. Now you're doing a windmill. Whee! Ooh, isolated squats, these are a burner. So with your hands on the ground if you can, or I'll show you a modification with some dumbbells. Just use one leg and the other leg hanging in the air, and squat down, lowering your bum. If you've got some dumbbells, stand them upright and use them for balance. You really don't have to bend far before the burn starts to happen. These are awesome. Enjoy them. If you need to, you can just rest your hanging foot there on the ground, but don't use it to kick up your weight. Use one leg, and then swap to your other leg and do the opposite side. My old favourite, the bodyweight squat. Just go as far as you can. If you've got sore knees or a sore back, just don't push yourself too hard, and keep practicing until you get stronger. It's all about strengthening the tendons. Bands are awesome for all exercises. Hold the band down with your foot, and with your same arm, pull the band up in a bicep curl motion, making sure that the elbow to your shoulder remains steady. Try not to flare those elbows out. And if you can't do one at a time, use both hands. Push-ups on your knees are great, especially when you're beginning. I still do them all the time because I'm not very strong with certain types of push-ups. There's so many different push-ups you can do, but this is just a standard push-up with your elbows out at 45 degrees and on your knees. Go to where you can and then push yourself back up. Don't worry about going too deep. You'll get better as you get stronger. Pike push-ups are great for building your shoulder muscles. So stand with your feet apart so you got balance and your hands on the ground in a pyramid sort of shape, and then slowly lower your head to the ground, pivoting off your feet. Don't bend your knees or anything else. Ooh, glute bridges, these ones kill me, but I can't bend my other knees, so I'm showing you isolated glute bridges. So with the spare leg in the air, just raise your bum off the ground, keeping your shoulders pinned, your shoulder blades pinned to the ground. This will burn your bum. Then swap to the other leg if you can. I can't because I'm injured. I call these baby crunches. You're basically just trying to roll your neck up and lift your shoulder blades off the floor a little bit. Do enough of these and you'll start feeling the burn. And if you feel like it, just reach out towards like you're grabbing something. That sometimes helps me keep my form. Keep repeating all these exercises until you're worn out. I was sweating at the end of a couple of rounds. Please subscribe or I end up with another injury. I don't know how that works.